Hi, Teach Scholars. This message is brought to you by your counseling team. I'm Ms. Ramirez.
I'm Miss Hurley. We're here to talk to you about positive affirmations and put ups. Now, put ups and positive affirmations are things that someone that you think or that someone says that make you feel good about yourself. An example might be, Ms. Ramirez, you're really smart and you're really good at your job.
Thank you, Ms. Hurley. I think you're an extremely kind person, and I really admire that about you.
Thank you.
And a positive self affirmation goes something like I am creative,
I believe in myself.
I can learn anything.
I have people that love and respect me. So now it's your turn. Together, we're going to make a communal artwork and with positive affirmations and put ups from all of you.
So, on the post it you were given, write a positive message to brighten someone's day, the best thing someone could say to you when you need support, or one thing that is most important to you and worth living for.
When you're done, one at a time, you're going to come up and take your post it and put it on the whiteboard. And you're going to read your affirmation or your put up when you do it.
Our hope is that all of your positive voices and messages will bring a sense of community, respect, and kindness to our campus.
And we'll collect all of these post-its, all these messages from your teachers, and we'll assemble them into the form of a heart on each campus.
I hope you enjoy this activity, and we'll see you on Monday
For Mindfulness Mondays. Bye.